This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start with a minimal set of prerequisites and the first actionable steps. Make sure Docker or a Kubernetes cluster is running. This is required for rapid testing. Once done, pull the official Grafana and Loki images and place a simple Loki config. YAML in a known folder. Then create Promtail config. YAML pointing to your log paths and the Loki endpoint. This gets your environment ready quickly so you can move to wiring logs into Loki without delays. Now you deploy and configure agents to collect and ship logs. Deploy Loki as a single node instance for development, then start Promtail with the Promtail config. YAML you created, ensuring positions. YAML persists read offsets. Make sure labels map to service names, and set pipeline stages to parse timestamps and JSON if present. Once Promtail is sending data, verify Loki's ingestion by querying log streams in Grafana Explore. This can finish by connecting Grafana to your Loki data source and running a simple query to confirm logs appear. Then tune Loki config. YAML for retention, chunk sizes, and compaction. These matter as volume grows. Once done, instrument labels for easy filtering and enable alerting in Grafana if needed. If logs don't show up, first check Promtail's positions. YAML, file permissions, and network reachability to the Loki endpoint. Often a misconfigured path or blocked port is the culprit, and fixing that restores ingestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.